Things are happening.
Here
you're
we
ahead
go.
Of the game here. Ooh.
Oh, beautiful. Delicious.
Sunderland from Manitoba Chicken. We're making chicken and sweet potato pie. This is kind of a recipe that I could eat pretty much every day, but we've got a really interesting twist. Not we, you. You have an interesting twist on this, and this is one of Manitoba Chicken's most beloved recipes, and you're going to find out why here in just a shake. All right.
Okay, so the way this recipe comes together, and I know we've got that little twist, but we'll hang on to that for a moment.
Save it.
Yeah, so we start out with 1.5 pounds of ground chicken, and we've added 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic, and we're just finishing sauteing that, and now we're gonna add all kinds of other wonderful, delicious ingredients to that. Something
go on.
I was gonna say something I just love about ground chicken is it's so nice and lean, and also it's a great thing to always have in your freezer because you can do so many things with it. So
I love to watch for when it's on sale, and then I'll buy like 6 of them, and then I'll put them in the freezer, and then I'll go to use them, and I'll find my daughter has used every single one of them.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Well, it's great to have in your freezer because it keeps for 6 months frozen. Nice. So it's so nice. You can do so many things with it. It's just incredibly versatile. So we are adding 1/2 cup of chicken broth.
Okay.
Oh, we've got a tablespoon of tomato paste. Yep. Got 1/2 cup of crushed canned tomatoes. We add just some beautiful seasonings. So we've got a nice combination here of 1/2 teaspoon of each cinnamon, cumin, coriander, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne for just a little bit of heat. Got a cup of frozen peas. Got 1/2 cup of parsley. Beautiful fresh parsley. You can use dry as well. Yeah.
The green and the warm tomato color.
All those seasonings coming through
here.
Yeah,
absolutely. Can do.
Very nice. Okay, that is looking absolutely beautiful. So as this is just reducing and the flavors are blending, what we're gonna do, Des, is we are gonna make the reason this is called chicken and sweet potato skillet pie is we've got our sweet potatoes. So you can use 3 large or 5 medium-sized sweet potatoes, about 3 pounds. So what you can do is you can either roast these in an oven for an hour or you can microwave them, you peel them, and then just mash them just like you would mash regular potatoes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we got that.
Okay,
but
so we got...
is it time for the twist?
There's a little twist here. I'm just gonna mix this up, and you're manning our ground chicken.
I'm working it here.
Oh, it looks perfect. It smells great.
It smells pretty good.
So we're just
really good.
Blending this together. It comes together pretty quick. And if you don't love sweet potatoes, I'm a fan. I just love the uniqueness of this recipe. You can use regular potatoes.
They're so good for you.
Yeah, they are so good for you. All of that beta carotene, And you know, Des, we are super lucky here in Manitoba that we have 144 Manitoba chicken farmers that raise healthy, nutritious, and delicious chicken for us to all enjoy 12 months of the year.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this is looking delicious. Now,
nicely done.
Okay, awesome. Now I'm going to ask you for a whole lot of help here.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're just simply going to put this on top. Yep, just go right ahead. Excellent.
How's that?
God, I love that.
Good for now?
Brilliant. No, that's perfect. So now all we're going to do is just fold that on top of our...
It's a pretty thick layer, hey? Like, I guess using a bit of a larger skillet, you know, is a good plan.
For sure, yep. You can, you know what, if you don't have a large skillet, you can brown the ground chicken and you can put it into like a traditional rectangular glass pan like you would make shepherd's pie, and the sky's the limit. But I love this because what we're going to do now, Des, is we are simply going to pop this in the oven, preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and this just bakes for about 20 minutes. And it lets those sweet potatoes caramelize, get a little browned on top, and it already looks really, really good.
It's looking pretty good.
All right.
Do you want me to put it in the...
Sure.
Oven for you. Okay.
That would be fantastic. Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Excellent. And
we
can smell something amazing, right?
Things are happening.
Here we
ahead
go.
Of the game here. Ooh.
Oh, beautiful. Delicious.
Like, what else can you say? I mean, it just looks absolutely perfect. So, all right, there you have it. We have our chicken and sweet potato pie. Skillet pie, delicious, easy, comforting, nutritious, local. You want to try it? You should try it, and now you can try it. Recipe below.